We are in a rural remote place, so like today, since last 3 days we don't have grid electricity in the whole village, but our facility is still up and running, it thanks to this solar energy. We used to have multiple breakdown of our equipment because of voltage fluctuation with grid electricity. In the COVID time, when you know the many patients are on ventilator, even like 5 minutes or 2 minutes without electricity, we can lose the patient. So it's a critical lifeline that all the hospital, those handling COVID cases or having ICU facility should have uninterrupted electricity supply as well as uninterrupted oxygen supply.
The usage at the hospitals is much more frequent than any other place. It's 24/7. The energy demand is a lot more than any other infrastructure. It's just like hotels, right? So every time you have to be live.
This has definitely saved many lives, including my brother's life also. My younger brother, he also got COVID and he was one of the serious patients.
सोलर का एक और एडवांटेज है कि इसमें कोई फ्लक्चुएशन नहीं होता है। ये जो है एक ऑनलाइन यूपीएस की तरह काम करता है। अगर वोल्टेज आपका अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे भी चल रहा है इक्विपमेंट, वोल्टेज में फ्लक्चुएशन होता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली सोलर पे चला जाता है।
Our electricity cost has gone down by almost more than 60% with this equipment, because we are now almost totally on solar.
अभी तक तो हमें ऐसा कुछ भी मेंटेनेंस में फील नहीं हुआ है कि काफ़ी कॉस्टली है।
It's easy, cheaper, and the ROI we have been seeing in solar is 3.5 years. You can get your return on investment at 3.5 years, and the performance warranty is again 25 years. So you are your energy master for the coming 21 years.
If we can replicate this model in a remote village, why not we can replicate in other places? It can be easily replicated anywhere.
We have been working with a lot of hospitals and making them solarize at 100% capacity. शोर मत बढ़ाओ, सोलर बढ़ाओ. This is what we look forward to. This is an energy which we all should know and we should use it. It's a school book energy, you know. We never looked out as an alternative to it, but we should really go out and explore for factories, for schools, for big hospitals where they have been investing a lot on their running cost. This is a cost which can help you reduce your variable cost and give you profits. Other than profits, we should also look at environmental concerns. By environmental means, this energy can help you save a lot of pollution and carbon dioxide emission. So let's promote it and do good to the world.